weird. I think we can.
Guys, what's happening? What's happening? Cutting Vermont crew. Vermont crew. Oh wait, I think I just started my camera. Darn it. Anyway, what's happening?
Okay, we get excited about these things.
It's gonna be all dark. It's gonna be so dark.
Liam, maybe turn off those phones now. I want you to be here and be present and focus on this, okay? Oh, sorry, were you just recording? Sorry. I thought you were FaceTiming somebody.
Okay, Mom.
Yo.
I mean, you said it like I'm not your mom. I actually am your mom. Mom.
Okay, Mom. I thought she is like, okay. Oh my god, I looked at it again. This is a problem.
Okay, that's like the picture you see.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You know what it looks like? You know what it looks like when you look at this through these glasses?
Chris?
Oh, Chris.
Use it on your Chris. Celebrate the totality.
It's amazing how much, like when you
Wouldn't mind my sweater.
Yeah.
It does look like it's bad. Now it's the time.
Go to bed. Let's do your nighttime routine.
Yeah.
It's alright.
wow, it's amazing how much cooler it is.
Yes.
That's not English, bro.
Yeah, that
Guys.
much. I think that feels
Getting there, getting very close.
Getting close. Yo. It's slipping off now.
That was not English.
What are you talking about? Yeah.
That's what it looks like when you
Totally.
This is cool.
Oh my god, it's so close. Nobody's happy. The sun is gonna be gone.
Is it happening, guys?
It's so close. It's so close. And then it's gonna be all done. But like the amount of light that even that much amount of sun can provide.
Who could be calling me?
T-Mobile.
Could I enter you in some car insurance?
Like the amount of sun that just that, the amount of light that just that little sliver of sun. No, I know it's so dark.
Oh my gosh. The phone is messing up.
Really?
It's like he's frozen.
Oh my god!
I'll look at it when it's over. It's about to happen here, so I'm going to call you back.
Just happened. Guys, all the lights that are lighting at night activated are turning off.
Oh my god! We said this at the beginning of this podcast. Stars.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's slowly disintegrating.
Look how dim it is. This is crazy.
So dim, it's like nighttime.
I've never experienced it.
Guys, the street lights come on.
Street lights are on.
The street lights came on!
The street lights are on.
Tiny sliver.
That's so
Guys,
cool.
Liam.
The street lights came on.
Getting freaky.
Ah,
Guys, look at your glasses. This is crazy.
I want to see a picture.
Here we go.
But it's amazing how that tiny sliver, it's still.
I know, I was just saying that. Just that little amount of sun can provide still so much light.
He's like kind of affected by it?
Yeah, I do.
That's crazy.
Don't look at the sun,
You
Scooby.
still
I
can't
think
look at
he's
it
looking
straight.
out. You gotta put his glasses on.
Putting glasses on Scooby? That's what I was gonna say. I never met someone who thinks so much.
Almost there.
You want to look Alright, this is creepy.
God.
Creepy.
And the street lights are on too.
Here it comes. We might see the shadow, like a shade, the shadow coming from the direct.
Okay, you can like look at it now.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
Here we go.
Sit up here. Sit up here.
Wow, street lights are on.
Street lights off.
Oh no. Okay, now look around. That's like.
Alright, don't look at it, it's still very bright.
There it goes. Here we go.
Ruby's freaking out right now.
The street lights are on. It's so dark.
Oh, we have a time.
Wow, look at this. Oh, it's getting. Is that the shade over there? Shadow.
Oh my god, this is so weird.
So weird.
Wow. Look at this.
Freaky.
I mean, you know, it's bound to happen. Yeah. Russ, come on.
What time is it, Steph? What time is it?
25.
Okay, it's basically here.
26:55.
Yeah, look at. You can see the shadow. I think that's a shadow.
Oh my god, it's so dark.
Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, look at that. Look at that darkness over
Here
there,
comes the
guys.
shadow.
Look at the darkness coming.
Coming.
I skipped something. Skinner, you're not going to get there.
What the?
Here we go.
I'm sorry?
Woo. Wow. Almost there, still there. Wow.
Oh my god.
Find it in the
It's getting so dark.
Wow, look at all the lights. Look at everything.
Oh my
All the-
god.
Woo!
I don't even see the camera.
It's not there anymore. Guys,
Oh my god. Totally dark.
There, look at the stars.
There it is.
oh my
Corona.
Corona.
Oh my gosh, that is insane.
Oh my god!
We can take a picture now.
Take pictures,
I
you can
can't.
look with your eyes.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Holy cow.
I see Jupiter.
That's it, yeah, that's the star there too.
You can see Jupiter. The stars. Wow. Wow, look at it. Oh my god, look at that.
Take one. Mine's trash.
That is so crazy.
Look at it with your eyes. Holy smoke.
That tiny little red spot on the bottom.
Yeah, what is that?
It's cool.
Is that like a solar flare or something?
Holy cow, guys, look around. Look at the stars. You can see the green lights.
Wow.
Right now.
This is crazy. Yeah.
Wow.
So dark. No cap. That'd be like my screensaver.
Wow, look at this. It's all dark.
You can see it on the.
Wow. Damn. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Hey, totality.
Red dot.
Wait, which one fell on the floor? We'll never know. Totality Oreos.
Like without our son, look at our planet.
Scooby's really confused, I think.
Totality.
Oh my gosh. Unreal. That big solar flare is just sitting here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
what time is it now?
This makes it all worth it.
Not 3:29.
Still.
I don't know if I should use brush.
We're almost.
I think that cloud actually helps to give like a really cool effect.
Yeah, you can't see it at all.
Wow.
Oh, you can see, look, it's gaining light on the sun. Yeah. This is where it's gonna read light. You can't see anything right now.
Yeah, it's getting a little brighter, maybe. Maybe. And it's very cold. My hands are freezing.
Me too, this looks incredible. Look at, I'm literally.
It's like
What time is it, Minnie? What time is it? Good time.
The bright one is
Look, it's lightning in the sky.
Oh, look at that! Look at the red at the bottom now, guys.
Wow.
Completely dark over there. Wow. Now it's like.
This is the diamond ring right now. Okay, don't look anymore.
I don't know if it's over.
Look at the bird. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. The crow.
oh my gosh.
Wow.
The light has returned.
Wow.
Good job.
Nice job.
Wow.
Good job, Moon. That was impressive.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that was.